this set has already, the Venn diagram has already been illustrated. Okay, so we just have to go direct and solve. So let's read the statement. The Venn diagram below shows tourist attractions visited by students in a certain week. Okay, there is Victoria Falls, Mambilima Falls, and then there is the Gonia Falls. Okay, then the first question, of course, is saying find the value of y if 7 students visited Mambilima Falls only. The key word here is what?
Only.
Very good. Okay, so answers here to the first question, which is question 3b, Roman numeral 1, is saying find the value of y, like I said, if 7 students visited Mambilima Falls only. So Mambilima Falls only, it is this region. Okay, this 2y plus 1 is on the only Mambilima Falls only. These are 6 students that visited Victoria Falls what? Only. 8 students visited Gonia Falls only. 4 visited Victoria Falls and Gonia Falls. 1 visited Mambilima and Gonia. 2 Victoria Falls and what? Mambilima Falls, eh?
Yes.
Then 10 visited all the 3 tourist attractions. Very good. Now, here we're going to say, so we're going to write 2y plus what? 1 is equals to what? 7? 7. Then we solve for y, right? So it will be 2y, then the positive 1 crosses the cosine and becomes negative 1. So the positive 1 crosses the cosine and becomes negative 1. Then we subtract 7 minus 1 and becomes what? 6. Okay. Then we divide by 2. This side by what? 2. 2 into 6.
3.
So the value of y is what?
3.
The value of y is 3. Now, if they didn't say only, we would have also included this area 2, 10, and what? 1. But they've said only, so we only include this region here.
Yes.
Let's go to the next question, which is 2a.
Yes.
So they're saying how many students visited Victoria Falls but not Gonia what? Falls. Okay, but not Gonia Falls. It's like a complement. Gonia complement. So it's like this. So excluding Gonia what? Gonia Falls. How many visited what? Victoria Falls. Not Victoria Falls only. So how many visited Victoria Falls? How many are here but not here? 6 and what?
2.
So here we're going to say 6 plus 2, which is what? 8 students. Yes, 8 students. The reason why we've included 2 here, they have not said only. Okay? Next question. How many students visited 2 tourist attractions only? Only, yeah?
Yes.
So there is 4, 1, and 2. So we're going to say 4 plus 1 plus 2, which is giving us 7. 7 is 2 what? Students. Okay. Then the last question is saying how many students visited 1 tourist attraction what? Only. Okay.
Yes.
So there is this and
This.
okay. So we're going to say 6 plus 8. So this is here. Okay. So we're going to say 6 plus 8 plus 2 times what is y? Our y is 3, right?
Yes.
3 plus 1. Okay. Then 6 plus 8 is what? 14, right? 14 plus what is 2 times 3? 6 plus 1? 7 plus 14, 20, 21 what?
Students.
Students. So 21 students. So that is the answer to this question here. Okay.